How to set a password for your Excel file. Part 1, I will show you how to set a password required to open the file. Part 2, I will show you how to set a password required to edit the file. Part 2, how to set up your Excel file to require a password to edit. First, open the file. Go to the ribbon on the top, click on File, click on Save As, click on Browse, and here on the bottom next to Tools, pointing the arrow down, click that. Click the third option, General Options. Choose the second cell, put in your password, click OK, and enter your password one more time. Click OK, and click Save to overwrite the file. Now let's exit. Now if I open the file, it will require a password to edit it. But if I want to read only, I can click here. This is read only, so I cannot save over the old file.